Introducing the EVOCAN Mini Depositor Kit, a compact all-in-one system designed to simplify small batch gummy production with precision and control. At its core, a 20-liter cooker delivers the perfect batch size for product testing, R&D, and small-scale production. Set your cooking temperature up to 180 degrees Celsius and fine-tune every parameter through the intuitive HMI touchscreen. As the product cooks, scrapers gently mix and swirl, ensuring a smooth, homogeneous texture for consistent dosing. Once the batch is ready, simply open the valve, and the slurry transfers directly into the depositor hopper. The Mini Depositor can fill up to 10 cavities at once, delivering precise, repeatable dosing across every mold. Its easy-to-clean poly belt accommodates custom mold sizes, providing flexibility for any product design. Each stroke delivers an exact fill, maintaining accuracy and uniformity, batch after batch. Adjustable from ½ gram to 5 grams, the deposits ensure full control over portion size and consistency. Ideal for scaling production without sacrificing precision or quality. Compact, efficient, reliable, the EVOCAN Mini Depositor Kit streamlines your process from cooking to depositing. EVOCAN Systems, evolve your production.